It was a bright Monday morning at Crescent Elementary. Ahmad, a kind boy in Class 5, was spending his recess in the school garden. As he walked past the blooming jasmine bushes, something caught his eye. Nestled in the emerald green grass was a glimmer of bright electric blue. He leaned down, curious to see what the sun was reflecting so brilliantly. Ahmad reached out and picked it up. It was the most beautiful pen he had ever seen. It was a deep, shimmering blue with silver trim that sparkled like stars. It felt heavy and expensive in his hand. "Wow," Ahmad whispered to himself. He imagined how wonderful it would be to write his stories with such a magnificent tool. It felt like a treasure found in a secret forest. For a moment, a thought crept into Ahmad's mind. "No one saw me pick it up," he thought. "Maybe I could keep it." But then he remembered the lessons he learned at home and in his Islamic studies class. He remembered his mother's voice telling him that al-Amin means the trustworthy one, and that honesty is a light in a person's heart. He knew that keeping something that didn't belong to him was not the right path. Ahmad took a deep breath. The temptation faded away, replaced by a firm sense of duty. He stood up, tucked the pen safely into his pocket, and headed toward the main building. He knew exactly what he had to do. His heart felt lighter already, just by making the choice to be truthful. He walked with purpose through the hallway as the school bell rang. Ahmad entered his classroom and walked straight to the front. His teacher, Ms. Hina, was busy organizing some papers at her desk. "Excuse me, Ms. Hina," Ahmad said softly. He reached into his pocket and placed the shimmering blue pen on her desk. "I found this in the garden during recess. I think someone must have lost it." Ms. Hina looked at the pen and then back at Ahmad with a warm smile. "Thank you for bringing this to me, Ahmad," she said. "This is a very special pen. I will ask the class if anyone is missing it." She stood up and held the pen high so that everyone in the room could see it clearly. The silver trim glinted under the classroom lights. In the second row, Hamza jumped in his seat. He had been frantically searching through his backpack, his face pale and worried. When he saw the pen in Ms. Hina's hand, his eyes widened with immense relief. He raised his hand so fast it almost wobbled. "That's mine," he exclaimed. "My grandfather gave it to me for my birthday. I thought I had lost it forever." Ms. Hina gestured for Hamza to come forward. Ahmad stood by the desk as Hamza rushed up. "Ahmad found it in the garden, Hamza," Ms. Hina explained. Ahmad handed the pen to his classmate. Hamza took it carefully, his hands shaking slightly with happiness. "Thank you so much, Ahmad," Hamza said sincerely. "You're a true friend." Ms. Hina turned to the rest of the class. "Class, I want you to look at Ahmad," she said. "He found something very valuable, but he chose to be honest and return it. Honesty is not just about telling the truth. It's about doing the right thing when no one is watching. Ahmad showed us today what it means to be a person of character." The class broke into a round of applause. That evening, Ahmad told his mother, Amina, about what happened. She hugged him tightly and said, "I am so proud of you, Ahmad. Remember, when you are honest, Allah puts peace in your heart. That feeling is worth more than any treasure you could ever find." As Ahmad went to bed that night, he felt a wonderful, quiet stillness inside. He knew that being the truthful boy was the best way to be.